Today I am going to wash my hair because I took my braids down. First I'm going to use this shampoo as my clarifying shampoo. Then I'll use my regular shampoo right here. And then I will do a wash of conditioner. And then I will use my BRG Deep Treatment Mask. I'll leave this for half an hour. After I rinse this off, I will use my Melanin Leave-In Conditioner. And I will use my Melanin Long Lasting Define Elongating Cream. And then I will use my Melanin Multi-Purpose Oil to seal my hair. And that will be my wash and go for today. This will be all the things that I use. Hopefully you can see. This will be all the things I use for my wash and go today. I need to treat my hair because for the last 2 weeks it's been in braids, so I need to do that. So these are the steps. As I go, I will show you, but this is what I am doing today. Hello everyone, this is Simply You Makeup. I'm getting ready to do a wash and go on my hair. Just took down the braids, so I'm getting ready to wash it and treat it. So I'll take you along so you can see the whole process. We are getting ready to go do that. I have my red towel. Shampoo. Alright, it's just that animal. So that is that was the first shampoo. Okay, first shampoo was this. Second and third shampoo, I'll be using this. Different? Yeah. Third shampoo. Okay, now I'm just damping my hair off with the towel. I'm now going to use this conditioner. I love it really, really a lot. So this is what my hair looks like after the third shampoo. Hopefully you can see. It's almost done. I think it is the last. This is where it's at right now. Oh. I'm going to put it in my hair and let it sit. You see, it's empty. I think that's that. I have one more use for it. One more. It's thick, but it's nice for the hair. I love it on my hair. So I put that. I'll let it stay about 10 minutes. And then I'll wash it off. I'll take you along to wash it off before I put the deep treatment in. Usually my regular wash and go is like shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and a little bit of hair oil. And once a month, or every 2 weeks, or once a month, I will do a deep treatment. But my wash and goes is usually shampoo in the shower, condition, come up with leave-in conditioner, and we are done. So try to put it everywhere, make sure it's well massaged before I rinse it. And I'll just let it sit in my hair for the next 10 minutes before I rinse. I'm in the shower, I shampoo first, put conditioner, cover it with a cap while I shower, and then after I rinse my body off, the last thing I do is rinse off the conditioner. So when I come out, I'm just ready for leave-in conditioner and a little bit of oil and wash and go. But as I said, this one I need to do a treatment because my hair being in braids. I'll be back to show you when I rinse it off. This is what my hair looks like with the wash off conditioner. I'm going to rinse it off before I put the deep treatment in. Now I have a comb. I have the water trickling down my ears. Make sure I take care of that. That piece, my hair right here, always drain water into my ears, so I have to take it out. Well, this is what my hair looks like after the wash of shampoo. I can comb it. I just love that goddess. Carol's got a goddess strength conditioner and the shampoo. I love it. This is what my hair looks like. I'm just making it straight because my hair gets really curly like this. I don't know if you can see. So I have to comb it straight. So now I'm going to do the leave-in treatment in the ears. This one, that was $36. But I'm loving it. So if it comes with a cover like this and then you take it off, as you can see, I've used plenty of it, and it is green. The color is green. That's it. I'll put that on. The edges need a lot because those braids, even though I put them light on my edges, they still feel like they pull my edge, the edge of my hair. So I want to make sure every strand is covered as usual behind my ears, my neck. And it is raining again. It was nice, and then now the storm is coming through. And I will comb this to make sure it gets everywhere in my hair that I need it to. The rain starts. This is what my hair is looking like with the treatment in it. I will put on a cap and let it sit for half an hour. And when I'm rinsing it off, that was too noisy. When I'm rinsing it off in half an hour, I will bring it back in to see. I will see you soon. Let me wipe my fingers before I touch my phone. I'm recording all of this from my phone today. Well, I'm getting ready to wash off this treatment from my hair. This is what it looks like. After my shampoo, my wash, my deep conditioner, this is all that I've lost. All the dead hair. This is it. Now this is my hair after the treatment. This is what my hair looks like. Now I'm going to put my melanin leave-in conditioner in. I just pump until I see I think I have enough. I don't count pumps. I just do it if I think I have enough. Sometimes I have more than enough. But this is what I do. No counting pumps. Any given day it could be more than I need. I have like maybe 3 different types of hair, and since menopause I've changed all 3 different textures. I have the curly side right here in the back of my hair, as you can see, and then in the middle of my hair right here is a little straight, and then this side, if I open you'll see how it curls. So sometimes one side of my hair will look like I have straight, but the inside is all curly. So I have 3 textures I have noticed. So now that I have the leave-in conditioner in, I'm going to use my melanin elongated twist cream in there. I just take a little bit. Hopefully that is not coming through. The weather kind of clear up and now it's coming right back again. The rain going in circles today. This wash day today is not my regular wash and go. This is because I have those braids. I wanted to give my hair a nice little treat to make sure my hair don't break and it stays nice and moisturized. Now that it's in, see my hair? I'm going to take some of the oil and I am going to put it in my hair. I have oily skin, so when I use anything, grease, oil, whatever on my hair, it comes down to my face. But my hair needs to stay moisturized, especially after I wash it. I don't put oil in my hair on a regular basis. When I shampoo or my wash and goes, that's when I put the oil. Other than that, I just spray it every day with a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and that's that. This is my wash and go with a deep treatment. This is my wash and go for natural hair. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And today the motivational word for today is stay strong. Stay strong. Staying strong doesn't mean that if there is a time of weakness, you give up. Staying strong knowing that when time of weakness comes, you will address the weakness and then get back stronger. Stay strong. I am staying strong. You know what I mean? We all go through our ups and downs. But never, ever pretend to be strong when you are feeling weak, hurt, in pain. Reach out, but stay strong. Again, I will see you in another video. I did all these videos standing because my bathroom is under construction. There are tons of other stuff on my plate going on, so it is a lot. But if I wake up in the morning with the breath of life and my eyes can see, my ears can hear, my nose can smell, my mouth can speak, I am going to put one foot in front of the other and keep moving and moving and moving. So I'm asking for you to stay strong and keep moving and moving and moving. Again, I am telling you, bye.